Good afternoon, guys. Or good evening. It's 4:35 p.m. Today is December 14th. Today is Wednesday, FOMC day, right? So here, buyers are there to defend. That's a general statement. Okay. Now FOMC will decide day trading direction, but overall buyers are still there, and they are not going away easily. 4150, 4220, 4300 are only good key R left for sellers to defend. So if price goes higher, these are the good R. Because of yesterday's CPI related up move and then reversal, people are playing games here. So I'm not going to write a story because of that reason. And FOMC today, news can undo anything I write. So we'll just go with our levels and let levels decide our day trading direction. You already have a preferred backup, aggressive buyer sellers area from Discord, so this level will give us a clue or trade. However, at bare minimum, I would expect this buyers to hold above 90 to 80 in ES if they are there during the news, right? Overall, I'm suggesting to take a day off and avoid this high volatility driven swing to preserve your capital for day trading future days, so but bare minimum I want buyers to hold this, right? So look at today's low, this area pretty much, right, close to it, right? So now we also know, we also knew that during FOMC that price is trying to get here, NQ is going to get to 750. Now why, right? How do I know that, or why do I say that, right? So for that, hold on, let me show you something. So this is the statement I wrote it this morning, 5:35 a.m. right? So this is from Discord. You should read it. It should have held. So this is what somebody replied, said, why yesterday it was a reversal, not supposed to all this thing, right? So I replied, it should have held above 4110 till end of day yesterday, okay? And then decided FOMC, but instead damn thing reverses 100%, right, and closed around 47.54 in ES. This is what I'm talking about yesterday, which I wrote today morning. And then NQ closed around 918, 940. So that area became a decision point for FOMC going into today, right? Now you can read the story here. What is today's low of the open? Right of the open, 47.54 area. That's where it started the up move. What was the low in NQ? 918, 940 area. That's where it started the morning up move from this 49. See that? NQ also same thing. Then read this here. Drop during FOMC equal to 3990 to 4000. Right? If it drops happen, look at this. This is 90 to 4000 area. See that? 4000, right? So drop during FOMC from anywhere, right? This is, I wrote it at 5:35 a.m. this morning, way early, right? But look at this, see? So with this drop happened, I instantly knew that price wants to go here. That's why these shorts are there, just to target this level. I was not hoping something big. Okay. Now look at NQ also, right? NQ 750 to 780, right? So look at this, 780 to 750. See that? So that's why these trades are there. Because of this drop, most likely scenario would be this levels. So always levels helps, right? Whether exit, entry, all these things. If you know this view since morning in advance, then you see this, which is intraday entire range breakdown here, right? Then there is a pullback here. Obviously it wants to go there. Same thing here, right? So, and then I also wrote it, if there is a up move happens, it's equal to yesterday's CPI's news driven high. That's where it should go, but up move did not happen, right? Below 39.90, more sellers, but did not go below. See that? Now, these are the trades. After FOMC, I was in Discord, right? This was a pullback, this was a pullback, right? And then when it came down here, there was another trade. Now most likely probabilities are it will go here. So you short here, take profit here. You short here, take profit here, right? And then even I wanted to go even long at 750. I choose not to do it, because during news time, anything can happen, right? Even though this was a target, it may go through it, so I didn't want to try it. Otherwise this was a good long, right? But then this short came in, right? So why this short here then, right? It looks like it's a reversal up, right, from here. Then why this short, right? So for that, hold on, let me show you something also. Okay, so now here at 2:18 p.m., right? So 2:18 p.m. was right around here, right? So here I wrote it, 990 to 12,020 is the area to watch during speech, and ES if it goes higher. So price was here, okay, and ES 72 to 75. This is 72 to 75. See that? And NQ 990 to 12,020. 990, 12,020. See that? Same area, right? I wrote it at 218 and price was here, right? To watch, correct? So when price came up straight there, straight up there, right? At least you can take reactionary short back to at least this VWAP, or possibly lower, up to you, right? But so from here to here, 12,000 to 940, 60 point, right? 74, 54, 20 point, right? That trade was way here I gave you, right? So now understand. So here to here, because of this target, we knew in advance since morning, you can capture here to here, then you bail out. Then now these buyers are in, right? But this is too fast, like complete almost reversal to this. So obviously, and on that way up, it took out this VWAP based sellers here, right? I know people like to trade a VWAP, right? So they basically took them out, stop runs, right? Then it's up, so obviously it's going to back up, come back down from this area, this important area, same thing, it's important area, because I wrote it, right? So now at least it will go back, so this VWAP players get a chance to bail out. Simple, So from here to here, that was another trade, right? So I put pretty much all the keynotes, right of the before open and early in the morning and during the news time, right? So these levels, remember I said in the notes, levels will help us, right? That's how it helps us. You need to know which level from where and what happened, and that we all for today overall. So overall, price did not achieve anything directionally, right? So neither side is in control still. I would say neither side is in control going into tomorrow. Okay, and that be all.